Come on, we all good. We gotta go. Gotta take your bags. Mark the time.
There you go.
Thank you.
Something for free.
Alright, so we're gonna see if we can go ahead and feed some monkeys today. We got some fruits to give them. And yeah, see if we can catch a monkey today. Monkey, man. Ah, we got monkeys, man. Monkeys. That's what I'm talking about. This is dope. What's up? What's your name? What's your name, buddy? What's your name, man? What's up, guys? What's up? Yum, yum, yum. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna call you Harold. You're Harold from now on, all right? Call you George. I want all the sunflower seeds. That's right, man. Monkeyed out. Love, baby. Monkey jungle. Puerto Plata. Yes.
Not Puerto Rico.
No.
Dominican Republic.
Dominican Republic. You gotta come. You gotta come.
Monkey land.
Monkey land, not monkey jungle. Monkey land. False advertisement. You all in the camera, homie? What's up with you? Dang. So we're about to get on the dune buggies right now. It's pretty much 2 people per dune buggy. You just split the price. So we're about to go ahead, we're about to ride out and have a good time. All right. Yo. That was fun as heck. Like legit fun and worthwhile. If you guys are in Puerto Plata, you definitely gotta come out here and do the dune buggy, man. We had a lot of fun. It was a blast. You definitely gotta do it. Split the cost, do what you gotta do, but have some fun out here. Alright? Getting our leg workout in. Trying to make it to the top so we can jumpity jump. Whew. We gotta do what they do. Alright, man, we're getting ready to jump. We're getting ready to do this, man. You know what I'm saying? Woo! This is real scary, but you know what? We got this. Ain't that right, Barry? We got this, boy. We got this. That's right. All right, y'all. I'm about to do this, man.
Wash my teeth up, wash my face.
That's what I'm talking about. You got this. Go. the waterfall, you gotta do it. Legit, you gotta do it. Flippity slide! Flippity slide! No, you got this, you got this! We believe in you! This place is beyond beautiful, yo. Looks really nice. So we did 3 jumps so far. I should say 1 jump and 2 slides. And we got a couple more to go before it's all done. But the scenery here is amazing. Yo, that jump was crazy, yo. Got to that edge, could not get down for the life of me, yo. But overcame that fear, and we did it. Yes, sir, we did it. I gotta say, this whole entire experience was ridiculously amazing. It was really good, it was really fun, really enjoyed it. Let me tell y'all, $160 for 2 people, you split that in half, do it. If you're here in Dominican Republic, head to Puerto Plata and do the triple fun. That's the combo, triple fun. It is the Monkey Island, Dune Buggy, and the waterfalls. Gotta hit it up, gotta do it. $160, it ain't nothing but a thing. Split that between 2 people, that's $80. Definitely worthwhile. Definitely want to do it and try it out. Alright, I'm about to go eat. I'm hungry. Okay.
For the weekend, keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Yeah. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows.